Guys, what's up? In today's video we are talking about what's a CV and what's a resume. If you want more videos like this, then I am really glad in telling you that this is a whole series and we will be talking about a lot of things in this video series. So make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. So CV is basically a detailed account of your accomplishments and experiences, whereas resume is a concise summary of those things. You can include a lot more things in CV, however, you have to omit a lot of things in resume. CV can be of multiple pages, however, your resume should be only 1 page or max 2 pages. So here are 2 examples of both the things. As you can see, CV is more detailed, whereas resume is a short version of that CV. So now comes, what should I use? Should I get a CV or resume? So first thing is, both of these things are often used as synonyms. So they might be saying, hey, send us resume, or they might be saying, hey, send us CV. But in both the cases, they just need your one-pager details of what you did in your life, basically in academics, okay? But the places where they are not synonyms, CV is more beneficial to the graduate students. You must send CV in academic settings. Either you are looking for a job or you want to pursue your studies, whatever it may be, it's very likely that you have to send a CV in those places. And if there comes a time where you don't know, what should I send? Do they need my resume or do they need my CV? In those cases, what you can do is ask them. Seriously, they have email. You can totally go ahead and ask them, hey, I was wondering if you need my resume or CV. Please tell me, okay? Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.